Yo, what's going on? This is Ruben with Atascocito Tactical Supply, doing another customer build breakdown for you guys today. So this is a Glock 19x. All we did was install the Overwatch Precision DAT trigger shoe that the customer did purchase from us. So with the DAT trigger shoe, it is an aluminum flat face trigger shoe. It does reduce the take up of about 20%. So you can see right there, take up wall from wall, it breaks, right? So really solid, huge improvement over the OEM trigger shoe. If you guys have any other questions, hit us up. We got a lot of different components here. With that, the customer did allow us to, do a cool video over his setup. So we're going to kind of go through the components and see what this dude's running, right? So holster, we got an Eclipse Holsters. What I like about this is I like the little the purple accents. With the 19x kind of goes with the PB&J theme, right? The print on the holster is obviously very cool. It's got the ghost flipping the bird. It's pretty sick. And then it is running the metal clips. Guys, if y'all can run metal clips, that is more ideal. It just has a better engagement on your EDC belt. You guys should also be running a actual gun EDC belt, right? They're going to be a lot more stiff, hold a lot more weight, especially when you're carrying full size pistols. So yeah, so when you're looking at holsters, metal clips are a little bit more expensive, but they're completely worth it in my opinion, right? So pretty dope holster, right? So now the bread and butter, right, or the bread and peanut butter. So the 19X, this guy, as you can see, it's got some slide work done to it. So the slide work was done by Slidewoks Engineering, right? If you guys are local to Houston, that's the best machine shop in Houston, in my opinion, that does slide milling. Not only do they do the Aimpoint Acro footprint cut on the rear, they also relocated the rear sight in front of the optic, did the barrel porting and the window porting, and then also did the cookie or the chocolate chip kind of Desert Storm Cerakote pattern. So very sick setup. I've taken a few firearms to them. They do offer military discount on services as well too, as long as nothing's changed. So yeah, check them guys out if you guys are local to Houston, Texas, right? So other than that, we got the Aimpoint Acro on top. As you can see, with the rear sight located in front, you now have the whole back window you can actually see through. So just makes a lot clearer of a picture, right? So pretty cool. Obviously, the port, is going to push gases up, help reduce recoil as well. So that's very soft shooting pistol, I bet. As you can see on the back, the customer has a Gen 5 beaver tail that he chopped off, and then he's running goon tape to kind of help, bridge that step. And then, if you're not going to stipple your frames, goon tape is a good alternative that makes quite a difference as well. And then we're running the, good old trusty Streamlight TLR-1, one of my favorite, if not my favorite, handgun weapon light. So, yeah, very cool setup. Especially with this holster. If you guys have any questions, feel free to holler. Other than that, you guys take care. Be safe.